Honestly, I wasn't expecting this recipe to be this good. These donuts turn out so soft, fluffy, and delicious, and they stay soft even the next day. This is officially my go-to recipe. Follow along for delicious homemade baking recipes. Crack the eggs into a bowl. Next, add sugar, a pinch of salt, beat until pale and fluffy. Add softened butter. Just mix until smooth. Now add the cream cheese. Mix until smooth again. Gradually add the flour and baking powder, mixing as you go. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees until golden brown. Optionally, decorate with chocolate and sprinkle with nuts. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.